Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jennifer Cernada Divino, 38 years old, born on October 26, 1987. I am from Barangay Antipuluan, Nara, Palawan, Philippines. My mother is Delia Divino. My father is Federico Divino. My religion is Catholic. I am a single mom of two children. My youngest daughter is 19 years old. My son is 18 years old. I'm a hardworking person. I like cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening, and I know how to take care of kids. I have experience before in Kuwait and Hong Kong. Almost 4 years in Kuwait. I served one couple and two children. And I am 10 months in Hong Kong and I serve one couple and one newborn baby. But I terminate my contract because I have family problem. To my future employer, if you give me a chance to choose me as your housemate, I will do my duties to hold your family.